Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about this UTG Pro quick release double rail side mount that I just picked up. I have one on my other AK I've had on there for years, so I decided I'd get another one for this one here. It works on most AKs, but better if you have the dovetail right here, the dovetail rail. This is very good. It's made good and it's fairly inexpensive. I got the exact same one that I have on the other AK over there, right there, that I've had on that one for years, and I was very happy with them. These are made out of T6 aircraft aluminum, so they're very strong and durable. It has a Picatinny around the top with 16 slots, and one detachable side one here that has 6 slots for scopes, accessories, whatever you want to put on there. And what's really cool about this is it has this V-cut on the tops. It allows you to see through if you want to use your iron sights as well, which I like that also. These do hold a great zero, and it's very easy to re-zero them. So if you want to take one off and move it from AK to AK like I did with that one, back and forth on this one, it's very easy to take off. This little lever right here is the only thing that holds it in place, but it's very strong. And to adjust it for different types of rails you got here, all you got to do is turn this Phillips screw here counterclockwise to tighten it, clockwise to loosen it. This is the MTU 016 model made in the US. I picked this up from, I ordered this one from Palmetto State Armory. I get a lot of my products from them. I've been very happy with them. And again, it's very easy to install. Once you get it set up in here on your side rail here, get it where you want it. It slides right down in this groove here. Get it in where you want it and lock it in, and that's it. I missed it. Do this correctly. It slides on very easy right into the groove there. So it can only go on one way, but it's an excellent product. Very strong and durable, and it doesn't move, and simple to install. Again, the UTG Pro MTU 016 quick release double rail side mount. Thanks for watching, guys.